November 1998, the first gas turbine commissioned for uninterrupted power supply. December 1998, the first desalination unit commissioned, transforming seawater to fresh water in millions of gallons. March 1999, the first process unit commissioned. July 1999, first crude unit started. And marine unloading begins at India's largest all-weather deep port petroleum terminal. September 1999, the fluidized catalytic cracker commissioned. And in December 1999, history. The world's largest greenfields refinery was commissioned in a record time of less than 36 months. All set to create wealth for the nation and the world's largest family of shareholders.
At Jamnagar, we have really doubled the entire Reliance group in 2.5 years. In 20 years, Reliance has built $6 billion of assets at Naroda, Patalganga and Hazira. And in the last 2.5 years, we have doubled it.
Take a look for yourselves. See what can be achieved with hard work, determination, planning and total dedication. India's largest tank farm, with tanks larger than football stadiums. The world's largest coker. The world's largest paraxylene plant. All part of the vast Reliance Petroleum Complex. A world-scale refinery in India. A project with a mind-boggling combination of features unprecedented anywhere. Vision. Total backward integration. Maximum value addition. A world-scale, world-class refinery built in India. Reliance Petroleum Limited. A gift to the nation for the new millennium. An industrial wonder, the like of which has never been experienced before.
During a startup, you sometimes face certain problems where a small problem could stop you from starting up the complex, even if it is $100 worth, but it stops you from starting the complex. We flew the gasket from Chennai to Jamnagar on a chartered plane. We needed it badly to start up the unit.
Configuration. Versatile, adaptable, producing petrol and diesel, ready to respond immediately to changing market conditions, different grades of crude and customer demands at the press of a button. Quality control, uncompromising, meeting Californian standards. Size, world scale. More than 1/3 the area of Manhattan, or pictured in the city of Mumbai, extending from the gateway of India to Shivaji Park, an area of over 7,500 acres. Massive, yet so well connected. A perfect integration of refinery, petrochemicals and power. Fully computerized and automated to respond to real-time business in a dynamic world.
We wanted a refinery that would make the most amount of money under any circumstances, whether the refining scenario in India is regulated or deregulated. Tomorrow, if the government comes up with a ruling that in India there shall be 50 parts per million sulfur in diesel, our refinery should be able to meet this specification. So we wanted to build a refinery that would swing anyway, depending upon the changing market dynamics, whether the crude prices or product prices go up or down. In short, What we wanted at Jamnagar refinery was a giant that would dance to our tune.
Now let's take a quick look at the other aspects that made it possible to create this industrial wonder. Execution strategy. Fast-track schedules with just 2 points of coordination and decision-making, London and Jamnagar. Real-time communication by satellite. Drawings in 3D with PDS model rendering for simulated plant walkthroughs before construction. Decision-making delegated at lower levels without sacrificing integrity. Global sourcing and bulk buying of material for the best possible quality at the lowest possible cost.
One of the ways Mr. Mukesh Ambani was monitoring our project progress was to check how much money we spent in a day. For example, we were supposed to spend about $10 million every day.